This is the Accessory Power ReVIVE Series Solar Restore SL5000. It's a emergency battery backup. It's got a 5000 mAh internal battery and is chargeable by solar power or by AC USB. When you get it outside of the box, it'll look very much like this. The neat feature of the Solar Restore SL5000 is its attached charging cable. So when you first get the device, you'll want to remove the charging cable from the bottom here. And it's attached by a cord. You just plug it into a USB port. You can either do it with a AC USB adapter, which is not included, or plug it into a USB port of a computer and charge it for about 7 to 8 hours to get a full charge to the internal 5000 mAh battery. And when you're done, you just plug it back inside of its little compartment there. It has a test button on the side. When you press it, it gives you a reading of the battery status. 4 LEDs means 100%, 3 75, 2 50, and 1 LED lit up means 25. So right now when we test it, we get all 4 lights showing up. It means we've got a full 100% charge to the internal 5000 mAh battery. And so what we do recommend doing with this is charging it with AC USB power first, again 7 to 8 hours for a full charge, and after that you're free to use solar power. For the best results for solar power, what we would recommend is cycling the internal battery 4 to 6 times, meaning fully charging it with AC USB power and fully discharging it before recharging it. And do that 4 to 6 times, and that'll promote the best battery life for this device. Once you have gone through the cycling period, you can lay it out in the sun, put it in direct sunlight, and the solar panel on the front will charge the internal battery. That takes about 25 to 30 hours to fully charge it with the built-in solar panel. So once you got juice inside of the device, you can plug a smartphone, a smaller tablet, such as like a smaller Galaxy tablet or like an e-reader, MP3 player, or any other device that can charge via USB port. The first port is for 800 mAh output, and the second port is for 1.2 amps output. They are dedicated, so you'll always get 800 mAh out of this port and always get 1200 mAh out of this port. So you can have 2 devices plugged in at the same time and charging them from the 5000 internal mAh battery. Doing that is very simple. You would just take your device to be charged and its USB cable. There is no charging cable included with this device, and you would plug it in, plug one end into the USB port, and then you plug the other end into your device. Press the button on the side to turn it on, and then your device will start charging. Once your device is fully charged, unplug it, and you're good to go. Again, you can't have 2 devices charging at the same time. There is also a micro USB port on the Solar Restore SL5000. The micro USB cable is not included, but you can also charge it with a micro USB cable if you have one. And then on the back, the ports are labeled, so you have your 800 port here and your 1200 port here, your micro USB in here, and your USB in right here. So possible troubleshooting tips: if the Solar Restore SL5000 is not taking a charge with its included built-in cable, make sure that the USB cable is plugged securely into the charging port of your computer, or excuse me, the USB port of your computer, or into the USB port of an AC adapter, again not included with this device. And when it's plugged in, you'll get a red light down here, this light that's blue right now. When it's plugged in and charging, it'll be red, whether it's in the sun or plugged into USB. So that's how you know it'll be charging. Always try, if you have one, a micro USB cable as well. Plug it in to see if you can charge it up that way. If a device that you have plugged into one of these ports is not charging, try switching to the other port. Maybe the device you have plugged in to the 800 port might need 1200 mAh to charge. So try both ports. And if it's still not charging, you may have a device that requires more than 1200 mAh to charge. And that is the Solar Restore SL5000.